Welcome to the part 4 of this lecture series. Here we are going to see about the rule 4. Rule 4 is exclusively for polydentate ligands. Polydentate ligands means ligands that contain more than one donor site. So far we have seen some of the ligands, for example we have seen ammonia, chlorine and bromine, and those ligands have only one donor site, that is ammonia can bind only with nitrogen, chlorine binds with chlorine, bromine binds with bromine. So far we have used such type of ligands called monodentate ligands. Polydentate ligands means that can more than one donor site. Some examples I have given: EDTA, ethylene diamine tetraacetic acid; EN, which represent ethylene diamine. In ethylene diamine you have two NH2 groups, NH2 and NH2, that is so it is given as the name diamine. Therefore here it is two ligands or two donor sites present in the single ligand. Therefore it comes under the category polydentate ligands. Similarly, oxalate, simply represented as OX, oxalate C2O4. Here also two donor atoms oxygen under the single ligand. So these are some of the examples of polydentate ligands. So in the case of polydentate ligands, you do not use the prefix di, tri and tetra. Instead we have to use like this: bis, tris, tetrakis, pentakis, hexakis, like this. And after you have written the prefixes bis, tris, then these organic ligands or these ligands should be enclosed in a bracket. Let me give you some examples. First one is NH4 twice Ni, C2O4 twice H2O twice. This is again an ionic complex, anionic complex. So the name starts with ammonium, then comes the space diaqua bis oxalato. You see, oxalato is a polydentate ligand, so I have used the prefix bis, and oxalato is enclosed in the bracket, so nickelate 2. Next example is CO NH2 CH2 CH2 NH2 thrice SO4 thrice. The NH2 CH2 CH2 NH2 is also called as ethylene diamine and can be shortly represented as En. Here three ethylene diamine molecules are here, therefore we have to use the prefix tris. The right name is tris ethylene diamine cobalt 3 space then sulfate, because this is a cationic complex and the anion part comes after the cation part. So this is tris ethylene diamine cobalt 3 sulfate. The final example is PT NH2 CH2 CH2 NH2 twice Cl2 then Cl2. This is again a cationic complex. The name starts with platinum, the cationic part. Chlorine is one ligand and ethylene diamine is one ligand. So chlorine comes first because C is the alphabet C comes first than E. Complex name is dichloro. Bis ethylene diamine platinum 4 chloride. Do not use diethylene diamine, instead you have to use bis. So in this part you have seen how to name polydentate ligands. You have to use the prefix bis, tris, tetrakis in the case of polydentate ligands, and the ligand should also be enclosed in a bracket. Thank you.